Good morning. This is your English class. Today we are doing chapter 3 of your book Chant 2. Come on, open your books and take out page number 21. This topic is, yes, it is rain. Now I will sing the poem and you will sing after me. The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Let's know the summary of the poem. The rain is falling everywhere. It is falling on fields and trees. It is falling on the umbrellas and also falling on the ships sailing in the sea. Words and their meanings from this poem. Rain. रेन होता है बारिश, कश्मीरी में इसे रूद कहते हैं. अम्ब्रेला. अम्ब्रेला यानी छतरी, जिसे हम कश्मीरी में छात भी बोलते हैं. शिप. शिप होता है समंदरी जहाज. फील्ड. फील्ड होता है खेत, जिसे कश्मीरी में हम खा भी बोलते हैं. सी. सी होता है समंदर. अराउंड. अराउंड होता है इर्द गिर्द, हर जगह, एवरीवेयर. Now we will do fill in the blanks using the words given below. The words given are all, trees, umbrella. Number 1 is it is raining dash around. Number 2, people use dash in rain. Number 3, rain falls on field and dash. So students, here are the answers. It is raining all around. People use umbrella in rain. And rain falls on field and trees. Now say and write 2 words that rhyme with the words. Number 1, cat, bat. Number 2, ship, zip. Number 3, all, ball. And number 4, ill, bill. Now check your answers. Cat, bat, mat, hat. Ship, zip, trip, skip. All, ball, fall, mall. Ill, bill, fill, till. Now students, I am giving you a little bit of homework. I am giving you this umbrella. Color it according to your own choice with different colors, but you have to label the colors. Okay, this is all for today. Hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Stay home, stay safe, and thank you.